Okay, today's tutorial is going to show you how to embed things into your blog, and we're going to work specifically with HaikuDeck today. So we're going to take our HaikuDeck presentation and embed it into our science blog. The first thing that you're going to need to do is open up a browser in Chrome, and you're either going to need to search for HaikuDeck or type it in the address bar and open up your HaikuDeck software. Once you get there, you're probably going to need to sign on. I'm already signed in here. So go ahead and enter your email and your password and get signed in. Once you're signed in, you're going to see your username up here in the top right corner. So click on that username and you're going to select My Decks. That's going to bring up all of your HaikuDecks. Now you guys probably at this point just have one. And so you're going to hover over that deck that you want to embed. Don't even have to go to it. You don't have to open it. You don't have to start it. You're just going to click the share button. And then you're going to, you can do a short description. You can do education for the category if you want to. But all you have to do is decide how you want to share it. So we're going to share it by embedding the HTML code. So you click on HTML code and you click copy. Now sometimes when I click copy, I don't get a little green check mark over here. You want to make sure you get that green check mark. So if you don't, just click on the HTML code, click Control-C for copy, and notice I get that little green check mark over here. That tells me that I got all of the embed code copied. So you're going to close that, open up another web browser. You're going to go to your Blogger, so type in Blogger in the search or the address bar. Open up Google Blogger, and you guys may need to sign in here. Once you get signed in, you're going to see your blogs listed here. Open up your science blog. Okay, once you're here at your blog, you're going to choose New Post, and you are going to give your post a title. So here we're doing characteristics of living things, HaikuDeck, and then down here you're going to choose HTML and hit Control-V and just paste that embed code in there. You'll hit publish, and I'm going to share mine. I don't think you guys get that little sharing thing, but then you're just going to go to view blog. And when you do that, you should be able to see what your blog looks like, and it's going to have your HaikuDeck right in there where you can go through the slides and view it. Then what you're also going to need to do is comment on somebody else's. So right now I have no comments, but for you guys, you are going to want to make a comment on somebody else's.